Purchasing property can be a very daunting task, one which many assume they'll never be able to achieve in their lifetime, let alone purchasing multiple properties. Australian Property Panel, or APP, have been assisting clients over the last 12 years with walking them through a proven, tried and tested system which alleviates this worry. From first connection, APP spend an abundance of time understanding what this next property will help you achieve. As we are all investors ourselves, we know the benefits of property: wealth accumulation, tax reduction, assistance with retirement funding. However, from the outset, it can all seem a little too hard to achieve. Once we know what property will allow you to achieve based on your goals, we spend time discussing how we can make this happen, not just for you, but with you. As we've been in the industry for so long, we have accrued a panel of knowledgeable professionals in all facets of the property purchase process. Finance structure is vital to comprehend as a first step. Once this is clear, we then walk you through where and why the next property will be for you based on our extensive research and historical data and strict criteria for growth and yield. Once a property is discussed and selected, APP will be alongside you to guide you through the entire process. Discussing options with the developer, perusing contracts with a member of our local panel's conveyancer, discussing with that local property manager what this home will require to meet the target market that we are striving to achieve, and then we instill this same knowledge with the builder to ensure that the end product is as desired for the area. We'll connect you with an accountant who understands property and the tax benefits. We'll organise depreciation schedules. We'll organise the final certificate reports with an external building certifier. We organise it all for you, but most importantly, with you. You see, many of our clients are fly in, fly out. They're doctors, they're nurses, they're busy working parents who simply could never achieve a process like this on their own. The benefit of working with a reputable, committed company such as APP is their knowledge of the industry and their ability to connect you with rock-solid professionals to achieve a very successful result. Once through the process, it's easy to see how very normal, average income earning people in Australia can purchase and hold multiple properties. But getting it right and enjoying the process is what hinders many from doing it over and over. So please contact a member of the APP team to get started on making this a reality for you.